Why would you do this? Why am I literally in... Okay, I just have to fly. Wait a second. I'm in the roof. No wonder they look like they're crouching. Or it looks like a small house. It's actually a big house. Wee, bye-bye door. Wee, bye-bye oak plank. But no, it's oak stab. No, bass. Bast. But blessed. Slab. By stone brick slab. By water bucket. By orange fence. By stick fence. So yes. Oh, a lake. Wait. There's a pond. There's a pond. There's a pond. A house. Alright. Let's go inside. And rob. Ha ha ha. Wee. Why is there nothing? Looks like there's a battery. Ooh. Oh, jeez. I just gotta climb up. Oh no. I'm cooked. Everybody, go upstairs. No, please. Give me more time. Oh my god. Ah! We arrived in the top. Wait, is that the burglar? I think that's a burglar. We are going to catch you. Hey, he just jumped. Oh no. Get him. No. I gotta hide. He said he's gonna hide. I heard him break a fence. That must be... Wait, I heard something. Gotta hide. I'm gonna steal batteries. All for myself. He's gonna steal all batteries. Where's my battery? Hey, what are you doing here? Oh no. Hey, that's my brother's house. Oh no, it's the police. Hey, you're getting trapped. Wait. That's my brother's house. That's his brother's house. You're getting caught. Oh no, I'm gonna hide. I break everything. Oh no, I'm not going there. Ha. Blah, 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 blah. Oh no. It's the police. Oh yeah? I'm gonna knock you down. You punched my head. Ha. Egghead, you look like a squished head now. Hey, come back! Oh no. Started. Gonna take it. Hey, that's my sister's house. Stop that. Is that my brother? Hey, what are you doing? Get out of my house! What if I just punch you? That really hurts! Hey, you know it's not good to do that? Oh, well, yeah, I don't know. Oh, you are getting caught. Looks like not anymore. And this is what my enemy gets for bullying me for no reason. you! How dare you! You just started it first! So I got revenge. Can't believe it, I'm going to this house. Because this boy is bullying me! Yeah! Hello, you look like a cat. Wow! Ouch! You're getting arrested. No, I don't wanna. Why? I don't wanna buy this, bro. Yes. Let me go back. Now I am gonna appear. Oh, he appeared again! Me, I'm gonna run. Whee! Oh, that's a genius idea. Big said he's gonna be ruined. Well, you know that. Well, we are going to do this. Skip! It's gonna burn up. It's gonna burn it up. No! What happened? So today, I'm gonna be doing this to the city. Let's go! It's fun. Oh, the wolf is dead. No, that's a wild boar. Well, not a wild boar anymore. Let's turn into pure. Aw, man. Yes. Let's explode this. Ooh. So, Emma. Fill the windows with TNT speed. Okay, I have to go out now. Oh, man! Wait a second. Does this mean... Uh-oh, it's gonna explode. Why is it not? Oh, batteries. You're turning to ha ha. Ha ha. Well, it's too large village, so yeah, I can't.